trying to liven up my crew as we leave for school at 7:30 this morning. Look at them dance. I just love it. It was to Michael Jackson ABC, but I took that out because I don't want to get in trouble. So here's the music I put on instead. Okay, tell me about your day.
And there's babies in my class, not in the room. And there's come mom and soccer like my car.
There was?
Hi, Mommy. I got babies in my class with some other kids, and I super fun.
Don't pick, Giovanni, don't pick.
And
Did you have a good day, Giovanni, too?
yeah. And my teacher's name is Malfoy.
Is Malfoy? Oh,
Mommy,
you got cake? Yes.
No.
It is.
I
It's banana.
babies got cake.
It's banana.
What?
Banana bread.
I got chocolate. I know you don't. But my teacher's name's Malfoy.
Malfoy.
My teacher's name is Unicorn Mermaid. Mama can't see me.
Unicorn mermaid.
Mama can't see me.
Ma? 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 She's teaching me. Okay.
Malfoy.
Mather. That's her name? And Unicorn Mermaid?
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right.
I
then.
love that my breakfast so much.
You got food in your mouth. You're hard to understand anyway, but with food in your mouth. Wow. Okay, your dress is wet because you got water?
Uh-huh.
Did you have fun? Okay. Giovanni, did you play in water?
No.
Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you eat all your lunch?
Yeah.
And your lonchero?
Yeah. Mommy, I still lunch so far because two. I got two food in our
Upset over the amount of food we got.
Mommy.
3 more days of school and then you're out again.
Can you tell me something?
Sure.
Mommy. I got Giovanni's red and Maya's ball.
Oh my goodness, are you kidding?
Yeah.
Oh wow. So another great thing about Guatemala is the price of things like dental visits. So in the States, Sergio and I, my eyes are so black today. I'm tired. Sergio and I stopped carrying dental insurance because what was the point? You know, we were spending more when we went in, and it just wasn't making any sense for us. So I told you on a video before that I have 2 primary teeth that have never fallen out because they did not have adult teeth, the secondary teeth under them. They never had them. I was born that way. I passed it on to my kids. I know they love me for that. So this silver that you see on my videos is a baby tooth. I've had it since I was a baby. So it's over 55 years old. Can you imagine that? That's it, an old tooth. So, but the other one came out. I worked at that. It was loose and I just kept anyway, it's gone. So I went into the dentist to see what it would cost to get this one removed and fixed and this one replaced. And then they found a crown that I need to have removed and a new one put on. All of that together is less than half of the cost of one tooth. Less than half for all of that. Less than getting one tooth done in Texas. Are you kidding me? So tomorrow I go in for dental work. I'm not looking forward to that. She called it surgeries. I'm thinking, yowza, baby, yowza. So tomorrow afternoon, yeah, that's where I'll be. Sitting in my car getting ready to go into class, eating breakfast. A Built protein bar. Built. It's lemon almond cheesecake and it's dang good. But my favorite ones are the Built ones with marshmallow. Oh my gosh, they make flavors and it's like eating it's the best. It's like marshmallow. Like it's candy. Oh my gosh, they're so good. I'm gonna have to order some more and hope that they don't confiscate them in the airport when my husband comes, because I have to have them. I eat them every day. Anyway, I have to tell you, this morning we have these birds that come, and I would like to I'd like to get them on recorder. They're horribly loud in the morning, and they want their pan, their bread, and I put it out for them. And the reason I put it out is because I don't want the kids to wake up. Okay, so these birds are like, wah, wah. They're horrible. So then if you put the pan out, sometimes they have something in their mouth and they shush, so my kids don't wake up, right? Okay, so I was getting ready today, and remember, we have outdoor indoor living, and so I make coffee and my tea in the morning, and I leave, it's a double door in the kitchen, and I leave one door open, one door closed. All the other doors are closed. This bird helped himself and came in the kitchen, I guess. Walked through the kitchen or flew, I don't know. I was in the other room getting ready for the day. The bird went through in the kitchen, through the dining room, into the living area. I didn't see it. I walk into the kitchen because now I'm done with my tea to get my coffee. And this bird, and I'm talking, they're big. I mean, for me, that's a big bird. It's not like a little bird. He's in the living room, and I mean, it's a straight shot, right? And the bird's scared, and what do? They start flapping and flying and hitting the windows and the mirror, and I'm like, whoa! I don't do birds. No, I don't. Especially when they're in my house like that. It scares the shit out of me. I'm going to be honest. I was terrified. I got goosebumps instantly. I was horrified. So then I thought, how do I get him out? I tried to open the door, but every door I opened, there were 2 more sets of double doors. The bird would go crazy. So I finally got the doors open. It took me a minute because I was as scared as the bird was. Then I thought, okay, he went in there for food, so I'm going to get another piece of bread. I shut off the kitchen. You can close off the kitchen. I got some bread. I tore it into pieces, and I kind of chucked it over there by the living room area, hoping, and I was making noises like, pss, 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 like I thought maybe the bird would hear me, and then I tried to be a bird. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I thought I would attract the bird with the bread and my lovely bird calls. It didn't work. I was thinking, how are we gonna finish getting ready? My stuff is in there. I need my stuff. So anyway, long story short, the bird finally flew out the dining room and left some poop behind, of course, because that's what they do, poop and feathers. And Lord, it is too early in the morning. Like, that's at 6:30 in the morning, and now it's only 7:45. Like, I don't have time for this, okay? The bird thing, ooh, I'm glad it's out of the house. I am just glad it's out of the house. And of course, Gianna, I want to go see. I said the bird's gone, but I want it to be in the house. I want to see it. And I'm like, shut the doors. I don't want any more birds in the house. Good Lord. I'm off to Spanish class. And then today I'm going to go have my baby tooth pulled finally. And she's going to put screws in. I'm going to get two newbies right here, implants, where my baby teeth used to be. So tooth here, after they pull this one, and a new crown, all boom in a day, I think. I don't know, this afternoon. Oh joy, I can hardly wait. So that's what I'm doing today.
Like it.
What is that? It's a baby
Poo.
poodle. It's an octopus. Can you eat it? Try it.
Good.
Yeah. Take it outside. You gotta eat all of it.
Yes. This is illegal.
No, it's good. Take it outside. It's delicious, huh? Gianna, le gusta. See? Let me see. Mel, you wanna try? Let me put him here. Wait, I'm just gonna put him there. Watch. Well, this is a baby octopus, right? Go ahead. You like it? Tell Mercedes if you like it. No? Okay. Everybody.
Hi, everybody.
She's eating some eggs for dinner tonight. We had to have something suave, soft, because I can't chew anything hard. I can't have alcohol. What's that about? I can't smoke, which I don't do that. Don't turn it up. And let's see. What else can I do? Drink through a straw. That's not a big deal. Can't have grease or leche, milk products, which I screwed that up already. I put milk in my scrambled eggs. I don't know if you guys do that. I always put milk in my scrambled eggs. I messed that up. I asked Mercedes, why can't I have something with grease in it? Not that I'm going to eat grease, but why? I guess that has something to do. It impedes the healing of the gums or the healing process of things. Who knew? I don't know. I have to look that one up. That's different. But let me tell you, it was only 2 hours, but it's 2 hours with your mouth open. And he deadened it. He deadened this side, and then he deadened this side. Then he drilled on this side and worked on this side. And then he drilled on this side and worked on this side. And then he put the screw in and did that on this side. And he went back to this side to do a screw. And let me tell you, when he was cranking the screw, wrenching it, wrench, right? Oh, I was, because it hit something, maybe a nerve, I don't know, down in there. Lordy. And my feet were just like, oh. And so I got a second dose of good stuff. Actually, it's not good stuff. It just deadens your mouth and makes you look like a drooling idiot. But I didn't care. That hurt. And then he sutured, and he sutured, and he sutured, and he sutured. I didn't think he was ever going to get done suturing. I mean, it's 2 teeth. Oh, and he had to pull this tooth, right? Because it was still there. My baby tooth was still hanging in there. Man. So then I had to go to the pharmacy. So I've got my kit here. This, I guess, is some kind of a rinse. And this is some kind of a, like, Tylenol stuff. I don't know. And this is my antibiotic. And this is some kind of hyaluronic acid that you put on your gums. I was terrified to put it on there. I used a Q-tip. I thought this was going to kill. Didn't hurt. Anyway, I'm a big baby tonight. I'm usually pretty tough, but damn, that hurt. Putting screws in there. And then, of course, I can't even think straight when I'm done. And they're like telling me stuff in the office, you know, as I'm paying and leaving. And I know they said to come back in a week. And I know she asked me, is morning or afternoon better? I said afternoon. She said 3 o'clock. I said, yeah, that sounds good. She didn't give me a card. Like, I don't know. Is that 1 week exactly? Like next Wednesday? I think this is Wednesday. I'm so discombobbled. I don't even know what day it is. I think it's Wednesday. And so I'm having to have my daddy, not really my daddy, my husband call. It's like having your parent call in. I feel, you know, I've had him call me in sick to school. I've had him call the dentist for me. I feel like such a child, but I can't communicate well enough to understand what's going on. And then they gave me my instructions. And they said that they would WhatsApp me the English ones, but they don't have my WhatsApp number. They have Sergio's. So until Sergio reads them and tells me what to do, then I don't know what to do. I'm muddling my way through. I'm translating. I think I've got it, really. I mean, it's not that difficult to figure out the words. And then I use a what do you call it? A translator to figure out the rest. But anyway, I'm just kind of discombobbled. So when she was telling me when my next trip was back there, I was like, okay. Mm-hmm. And I had my mask on because my mouth was all, well, because they want you to wear it, but my mouth is all, dead. And so your lips are all, what you look like after you leave the dentist. So thank God for masks, right? So I'm covered up and I'm like, and inside I was like, oh, my mouth hurts. I want to cry. And then they come out and they pat you and, ¿Cómo te sientes? How do you feel? ¿Cómo te sientes? And I'm like, actually, ¿Cómo te sientes? Is what they were saying. ¿Cómo te sientes? And I'm like, muy bien, bien. And I was like, dear God. And I had 2 big chunks of gauze stuck in there because I'm bleeding like a stuck pig. Good Lord, what an experience. I'm terrified to go back and have them. How the hell do they attach those? I've been thinking about it. They can't twist them. You got other teeth there. They snap it like Legos. I'm a little nervous about that after today. I thought I was a champ, and I handled it like a champ, but inside I was crying, I tell you, crying.
Vamos.
I want the whole year's round.
Ok, you can, dale pues, ¿cómo es?
Vamos a coste, buscando algo porque esto
¡Para! Bosque buscando una parte de su cola. Vamos por el bosque buscando una parte de su cola. ¡Para! Salta, 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 sí, salta, salta, muy bien, Giovanni. ¿Mete tu mano en la caja? Sí, tú lo hiciste, yo lo vi. ¡Semáforo! ¿Qué sacaste? ¿Qué es eso? Semáforo. Ahora ven aquí, Giovanni. Muy bien, ahora aquí, Giovanni. Busquemos la E. ¿Cuál de estas es E? No, es A. Te toca E. ¿Recuerda? E. Está de color naranja, Giovanni. Naranja. ¿Cuál está naranja? Muy bien, Giovanni. Excelente. Salta, 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 sí, salta, salta, su. ¿Sentada?
Hey, bebé.
Abre una cajita para ver qué escogemos. Ok, saca un papelito. Sol. ¿Cuál de estas palabras necesitas para que sea O?
Hi, bebé.
¿Cuál es? Sa, se, si, so, su. Ok, excelente. Ahora, aquí mira. Ahora aquí mira. Ol. Ok, ahora acá. ¿Cuál de estas, Gianna? Ahí vas a ver. ¿Cuál de estas, Gianna, es el O? ¿Cuál es igual a ¿Cuál es igual a este? O. Sa, se, si, so, su. ¿Cuál es? Ese. Muy bien, muy bien. Otro papelito, Gianna. Surf, no, escucha, muy bien. Muy bien. ¿En cuál de estas es igual a su? Su. ¿Cuál? ¿Cuál, Gianna? Sa, se, si, so, su. Excelente, Gianna. Una cajita. Ok, ábrela.
One of the hardest things about living so far from family is missing out on my grandbabies. But thanks to my daughter Portia, she sent me some pictures, live pictures of my newest grandson Stetson and of my beautiful granddaughter Harper. Thanks, Portia. Baby giggles are the best. Precious moments that turned into beautiful memories. Guatemala in 2013. Yep, we were here. Absolutely love these memories and video. It's so much fun to look back. And remember, grandparents, you are there to help your child, your grandchild, get into mischief they haven't even thought of yet. So have fun. Let's see what kind of mischief we can get into. Enjoy those grandbabies. Say a prayer for me, and I'll say a prayer for you. And guess what? I'll see you on the next video.